The pretty beautiful Sis Nikki. Wow! Blooming naman tayo dyan. Ganun na ba talaga ang effect ng work from home?
Yeah. Super inspired, sis.
Nice. Okay. So sis, thank you at napaunlakan mo kami na because you are one of the certified OFP Amazon champions.
Okay, so ano po, ganito po yung nangyari kasi I just resigned from my full-time work, and then I was looking for a job wherein I can stay at home and be with my kids because I have a growing children, and my guilt of being a working mom is so high that I decided to stop working at the recent workdays that I had. So I went to YouTube to find something that can teach me on how to find a job po sa online. Tapos,
online, okay.
Opo. Kasi I tried applying pero wala pong pumapansin sa application ko. So I thought of searching for a skill set and a niche to focus. So I parang marami akong nakikita na mga review ng Amazon VA. So na-curious po ako, and I went to Google to search for providers. Hindi po sa Facebook. So sa Google po talaga ako pumunta para website po talaga na legit yung makikita ko. And then I came across a comment sa Reddit na nagsasabing OFP offers an in-depth lessons po about Amazon VA, Amazon Store Manager, and hindi lang po isa yung ino-offer ni OFP na niche, but 12 po talaga. And then I have done researching po sa other what do you call it? Offers po. Pero yung OFP parang hindi pa at the back of my mind I was doubting kasi the price compared to the others is affordable for me. The others po kasi is too high, and then hindi ko afford, but yung comment talaga nagsasabi na you can really trust OFP kasi yung ino-offer nila true talaga sa statements na ina-advertise nila. So hindi ako nagdadalawang isip, nag-enroll talaga ako kasi yung timing ko din perfect kasi enrollment period ni OFP. So right away, right then and there, nag-enroll talaga ako sa OFP. And lo and behold, yung na-witness ko talaga sa OFP, true talaga yung 8 live sessions and sometimes
live talaga, sis.
Live talaga so nakaka-interact kami. Hindi lang talaga modules tapos walang mga guidance and assistance from the coach. I mean, from the trainers. Nag-guide talaga kami kahit trainings pa. And yung time na binibigay ni OFP, they're not very particular of cutting the lessons just because the time is up already, pero they make sure na ituturo talaga yung nakalaan na mga modules for the day na itatackle. So dun po ako na-amaze ni OFP, yung passion and sincerity po na matuto yung mga learners is very amazing po talaga, na sometimes 6 to 7 p.m. na kami natatapos para lang talaga matapos and maituro ng maigi yung mga lessons na dapat itatackle for the day. Okay, so actually the things that OFP taught us, yun lang talaga yung ipa-follow mo. Per sa akin, yun yung just do your part because OFP has done their part already with ano talaga more than the parang more than what I expected na ibibigay ni OFP. More talaga yung binigay ni OFP. So ako ginawa ko talaga yung part ko na mag-study, mag-review, i-learn talaga yung mga modules na na-miss ko kasi may mga days na hindi ako nakaka-attend. So my learning portal, I go to the learning portal and then I review, I study, I take note, and then after that nag-apply do all the activities, do all the homeworks kasi may mga activities and homeworks din na binibigay si OFP. Doon kami mas natututo kasi hindi lang lectures but also may ano talaga activities. So you get to learn what you have listened to from the training and then na i-apply namin sa activities. And then may homework din po. And then after that, may assistance ni OFP pag may mga questions kami. So from that, dun talaga ako I made sure na na-learn ko yung mga itinuturo, and then after that I applied to different jobs. And wala talaga mga special techniques or ano. I just do my part to learn all those things. Actually, sis, dun po na-stun. Dun po na-stun si client kasi you're not only learning one niche in one area only of Amazon, but the 12 niches. And yes, super nakatulong yung 12 niches kasi pag magdi-discuss kayo ni client about, for example, product research, that's the first part. And then nadi-discuss mo talaga yung whole part ng business, especially if startup siya, so may idea, you can give him the idea or the overview of how the business will go because you know everything about Amazon kasi itinuro ni OFP. So super helpful talaga yung 12 niches.
You currently have 2 clients, di ba? 1 full-time and 1 part-time and puro flexi. Tama ba yun, sis?
Yes po.
Wow.
Both flexi po.
So, offered sa'yo is how much for the full-time, sis?
For the full-time po, $10 per hour.
Wow, grabe! How about for the part-time, sis? Magkano naman?
Yung part-time, $8 per hour po. Pero you need to complete 30 hours per week. 25
30 hours per week. Okay, so
yung both clients po nag-offer ng flexi. Flexi talaga. May
sarap
mga meetings lang, na scheduled talaga. Pero after the meeting, flexi na. Ikaw na bahala. Kailan ko gagawin?
Galing naman. Secret.
Parang umaabot talaga ng in our ano po, currency. Mga 30 plus siguro.
A week?
Yes po.
Galing.
Sa dalawang clients. Opo.
Ang galing naman.
Malaki po talaga yung difference. Kaya po surreal. Para sa akin, it's so surreal na noon po sis, nakikinig at nakikimarites lang din ako sa mga OFP success stories. Parang totoo ba talaga yan? Pero ngayon, na-experience ko na talaga with God's gift and providence po talaga.
Yes.
Totoo talaga.
So,
Po, kasi yung yung nature ng work nila, palipat-lipat ng areas and then naa-assign ng mga malalayong lugar for quite mga 3 months na period. So, you don't need to resign from your job. You don't need to file a long leave para lang masamahan mo yung husband mo with all your family. But in here, like as an Amazon store manager, nadadala ko talaga yung nadadala namin yung whole family namin kasi yung kakailanganin lang is yung laptop, yung internet connection na secured, tapos yung headset. Yun lang yung kakailangan. Yes. So, at the comfort of everywhere, you can have your work and then a good income as well. Super truth. Super, not just in your house, but everywhere. Everywhere you go talaga. So, sa mga mommies dyan na nagko-contemplate na if magpa-flourish yung career sa online. Para kasi sa akin, it's OFP has been a good way of God's blessings of providing us in what we need kasi our children is growing and we need to be with them in each of the milestones that they experience or they have. So mother talaga yung hinahanap kasi nila eh. So dun at first I was hesitant to stop kasi may makikita pa talaga akong work online. So but with the training that I had with OFP, the knowledge that I got, I became confident po na makaka-help po talaga ng mga clients who are selling in Amazon. So, from that, na-prove ko talaga na may pera sa bahay. And
kahit saan.
Kahit saan po talaga, as long as my internet and laptop.
So, sa career ba nito sis, kailangan ba talagang super galing mag-English?
Ay, hindi po. Yung kailangan sa career na to is yung knowledge. yun yung i-secure niyo mga mommies or whoever is planning to enroll. Hindi talaga yung pag-i-English kasi yung English, hindi naman din ako magaling mag-English. Basta magkaintindihan lang kayo ni client kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari or ano yung gusto mong ipaliwanag sa kanya, maintindihan niya. Yun lang yung important. And of course, you need to have the knowledge. Yun lang talaga. And ino-offer naman ni OFP. So, why worry? Yes. Kasi not only para kasing kung may knowledge ka sa lahat ng areas of, for example, this one, Amazon, makaka-jump ka from one situation to another while connecting the things that he needs to learn or he needs to know. So, pag may question siya from, for example, product research, na-jump or nako-connect mo sa lahat ng areas sa operation. So, dun kasi nilagay ko din talaga na I am knowledgeable from A to Z. Kasi, totoo naman talaga. Oo. So, sinabi talaga ni client after interview, dun talaga siya na-amaze na one VA or he was hiring FBA manager. From one person, alam lahat. Opo, sis. Kasi, everyday kasi may meeting. So, anytime may nagpa-pop up na question sa kanya kasi startup seller din siya. So, for example, may question siya sa product research. Kasi dito talaga nagsa-start. So, I was doing keyword research for the certain product, and may nilagay ako doon na this broad na mga keywords, we can use this for PPC. Tapos sabi niya, really? So from product research, we can already do we can already start preparing for PPC. Yeah, because ganito. So doon, okay. So sabi niya, I'm also learning from you, even though siya yung nagsasabi na ganito yung gawin natin, ganito yung gusto kong pero in that areas po, in slowly creating the store. Ay, ang dami, hindi naman unang apply lang tapos tumatawag na agad si client, hindi naman ganoon. Marami talagang rejection. Ay, hindi ko lang mabilang, pero marami talaga. And of course,
Paano
naituro
siya na-overcome, sis?
Okay, so naituro din kasi ni OFP yung pinaka first activity na para kanino yung
Pagsisikap po.
pagsisikap mo. So, eyes on the prize. And of
Nice.
course,
Gusto ko yan. Eyes on the prize.
yeah, talaga. Kasi yung if you will let the rejections dominate your mind, parang mawawala yung courage mo na mag-apply paulit-ulit. So, yun lang talaga yung motivation ko na hindi talaga ako makakita ng client if I will give up this early. And of course, we should ask it from the Lord. Kasi si Lord talaga yung nagpe-prepare ng client natin, yung
Amen.
binabagay talaga niya sa personality natin, sa needs
Nice.
natin. Pero we need to ask it from Him also. Ay, talaga sis, kasi if you notice po, nahihiya po akong tawagin. Nahihiya akong tawagin sa natatakot akong mapahiya kasi hindi ko alam yung siguro yung answer to the question na i-erase.
So, sis, total
There is
newbie ka ba talaga sa
Super.
Amazon?
Super newbie po talaga. Of course, naririnig ko na ang Amazon, pero how everything works, hindi ko talaga alam. Zero knowledge po talaga. So, when I came to OFP, that was the first time that I heard about how things are going inside Amazon. So, super newbie po talaga. This HR staff po ng isang hospital.
So, wala talagang idea na about what is VA, what ganon.
Walang
So,
connection. Sometimes po kasi may mga invitation sa family na pumunta doon mag-serve. Pero para sa akin, nandito kasi yung family, and big thing po kasi na the kids will grow na nandito lang ang family. So, para sa akin, sometimes ini-entertain ko yung mga what ifs na ganyan. Pero kaya nga, I'm so thankful na I stumbled upon this.
Right?
Yeah, super thankful po talaga ako. As in, super thankful po talaga na as a newbie, having her first client, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to expect. And I keep on I keep on asking you, unsaon, paano? So, thank you talaga. And dun ko talaga na-feel yung sincerity ni OFP na tumulong sa mga aspirants na kagaya ko. So, thank you din. Super thank you. You've been a blessing to many of us. Thank you,
din.
OFP.
Nako, thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat and we are so happy for you. And lalo na, di ba, na-achieve mo yung eyes on the prize, ika nga, di ba? Na para kanino yung pagsisikap natin, para sa mga bata, para sa pamilya, para lagi natin silang kasama. And ikaw din yung nagpatotoo na hindi kailangan mag-abroad para kumita ng dolyar. Again, eyes on the prize. Gusto ko yan eh. Natutunan ko sa'yo. Eyes on the prize, lagi kang nakatutok doon sa vision mo, di ba? So,
Yes.
syempre, it has something to do with hard work. Hindi po pwedeng vision lang. Hindi po pwedeng mag-aantay ka lang ng milagro at tapos biglang, oops, ayan na, ang dami ko ng kliyente, di ba? Sis, thank you so much at hindi mo sinayang yung knowledge that you've learned from OFP and more clients and good luck sa next interview mo na naman. Grabe pangatlo na yan. Okay, sis, bye-bye.
Thank you.
God bless
Thank you,
you.
sis. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.